Okay, so here we go. We got the quad rotor loaded in. You'll notice on the right here, do the manual zoom here, I hope that can show to folks. That gives you things like your feet per second, your velocity, heading, your altitude, all that sort of flying stuff. On the right I get my altimeter, so again I have how fast I'm flying, how far I am off the ground. And then on the radio, and I'll try to do this all with two hands, you know, on the left again would be when I move that, when I move this throttle, I'm going to make the rotor spin. So if I just go up, you can see the rotor's turning on and off, right? That's for me just going up and down. So if I just gun it just to get off the ground, and we'll get up nice and high. So there I am, I'm, you know, whatever, 30, 40 meters off the ground, and I'll just leave it. So now I'm just leaving it so I'm flying. Then when I go from left to right is my yaw. So here you see I'm turning to the left, I'm turning to the right. So getting a handle on how you do that with your left hand. And then with the right one, the roll, if I go left to right here, will be my to roll. So I'll just, and I don't really care about crashing, which is the beauty of this. So if I just gun it, I can completely roll the rotor left to right, right to left, etc. And then forward and backward is my pitch. So if I want to drop the nose down, pull it up, etc. It really takes two hands to fly, and this is, it's kind of like playing the piano when you got bass clef and treble clef, if you know what I mean. You really got to get used to that, which is sort of the whole point of this, is learning all the different ways to manipulate an aircraft. And these quads and hexes are very different than flying some of the planes, because some of the planes can go super fast. So, but the general mechanics are the same, and getting used to that. Like I have my fifth, so I have five channels on this radio. The fifth one would be this one here for with some things like lowering and raising the landing gear as an example. For us it will be manipulating the camera gimbal that's hanging at the bottom down there, that would allow you to, you know, move the camera down if you wanted to see things like that. So we'll use at least 5 channels. The other radio I'll get will have a couple more channels, because if in case we want something else as the primary radio, will have the ability to do so. So what we've been doing is just flying and practicing. You know, crashing, not a big deal, not the end of the world. You can tell that the quality of these, the scenarios they give you are pretty amazing. I mean, this is, sorry, I'm not even too busy looking at the radio and not at the, so, you know, you have a real ability here to, it's just incredible what you can see, and how realistic it is, which is why the kids are loving it. So we've been flying, we've been practicing, we get the team together, we're starting to assimilate the parents and get all these kids together and figure out their strengths and areas we want to work on, and who can do what, who wants to be interested in part of what pieces of the project, and we're going to be off and running. Thank you.